Hi guys, quick update lang tayo dito kay Gumball, kay Grass, kay Carve Protocol as well as itong iPhone 15 Pro Max and 13,500 in BGB airdrops, no. So pag-uusapan natin 'yan dito sa video natin today, yung nangyaring maintenance or upgrade nitong kay Grass. Pwede na ulit mag-login as well as yung pag-stake dito kay Carve Protocol ng free. So pag-uusapan natin 'yan, yung mga events na nangyari dito kay Gumball as well. Meron silang events. Yun, before tayo dito guys mag-start, kung hindi nyo pa na-like itong video na to, please like this video first, subscribe nyo yung YouTube channel natin, turn all the bell icon para ma-notify kayo dito sa mga updates natin na ginagawa sa ating YouTube channel. So for now guys, check muna natin tong Gumball natin dito, which is you have this mystery marbles or pinaka points mo. Dito nga guys, meron silang ginawang events, no, wherein it's an offline Gumball tournament. It was a successful event naman, and ito yung pinaka-event nila sa Seoul, no. For now, punta muna tayo dito sa pinaka-dashboard ko. And I need to go to quest. And then, pagkatapos nyan, hit the ball na ako dito. So, by tomorrow, I'll need to claim yung pinaka-mystery marbles ko dito sa my page. To claim yung mga mystery marbles ko, guys, no. Kasi I have this mystery marbles pa to be claimed, no. So, dito sa quest, kailangan kong i-hit the balloon, no, dito sa day 3 para ma-claim yung mystery marbles na total ko. So, yun yung pinaka-update dito guys kay Gumball Games, no? It's one of the potential airdrop dito. You can just go dito sa kanilang Discord. Andito yung mga announcements as well as yung other events na ginagawa nila guys, no? So, andito sa kanilang Discord. So, for now guys, punta na tayo doon sa kay Grass Protocol upgrade. Ito. So, dito guys, if you have Grass, kailangan nyo mag-relogin lang para ma-activate ulit yung points, yung pag-incentivize ng unused bandwidth nyo guys, no? So, tapos na yung pinaka-maintenance nila. Nag-relogin lang ako kanina, tapos okay naman, nakapag-login naman ako. Let me know lang guys if hindi kayo makalogin, kasi you can just go sa kanilang Discord para magtanong, no? So, yun, you can just check your Grass dashboard if nagre-reflect na yung mga points, no. That's the recent update dito. Also guys, doon kay Carve Protocol, let's go here. So dito guys ay allocate ng something like kalahati lang nitong pinaka-balance na to. We have update this and I just want to give credit sa community. Dito ay stake, no. Ito yung na-stake ko dito. So kalahati nung balance natin. This is nung March 22. Stake ko is 90 days, no. Meaning nakalock ito dito, and then if ever man na ma-unlock, that's the time na you can get dito nung pinaka APR yung na-earn mo guys, no. So ito, meron na pala tayo dito na-earn, no. Ma-unlock mo ito after 90 days guys, no. Ito, makikita mo naman siya dito. So you can just stake, tapos andito yung pinaka details. So for example, ito yung pinili ko for 90 days. Makikita mo naman siya dito kung kailan mo ulit siya makukuha guys, no. Like for example, ito June 28. Dito you can just stake dito. It depends guys sa inyo, no. So yung sa stake naman is that you just allocated your soul dito, and then at the same time you earn, no. If ever man na magkaroon sila ng TGE, hindi mo siya makukolect or makukuha, no, kasi nakalock nga siya. So, yun yung isa sa mga downside lang dito. I have voting tickets din dito. So, marami pa dito guys, no, na you can use itong pinaka-voting tickets para mag-vote dito. I think this is also a potential airdrop just like nyan. Heroes, Biga Arcade, Love Monster, Technocore, Wilder World, tas Aperon, no. So, yeah, you can just use that voting tickets. Ito yung pinaka-update natin dito for Carve Protocol right now. And as of the moment, let's go doon sa next update natin. Mag-daily check-in ako dito guys, no. Yung mga official links, lalagay ko sa description ng video na to para mapuntahan nyo and para na rin makiiwas sa mga phishing links sa online guys, no. Ito naman yung isang to is that you can just scan yung pinaka-QR code para mapuntahan nyo yung pinaka-official website if nabubuy nyo itong video na to sa desktop, no? So, we have points, 1,074 points. So, yung gagawin ko lang dito, daily check-in, tapos claim now. Simple as that. Ma-add na yung points na yan dito sa pinaka-points natin, guys, no? And then, I have this one na to be claim. Ayan. So, na-add na siya dito sa pinaka-points natin. Yung points na yan can be redeemed, guys, no? Like, for example, dito. into USDT that you can use that USDT to trade, and then pagkatapos niyan, you can get those profits na pwede mong i-withdraw sa mga e-wallets, guys. Now, again, itong video natin today is just for ideas lang, for reference, and does not qualify as an investment or financial advice. Hope you get some ideas dito and other opportunity, guys. No? So, yun, much better to do research pa rin sa end din nyo kasi in the long run kayo din magbe-benefit yan if you learn something. No? Ito, guys, isa sa mga daily task ko din ito. Meron din sila ditong Easter egg. Ayan. Yung sa Easter egg naman, madaming mga rewards. No? Like, for example, you can collect yung egg tapos pwede mong i-claim din dito. You can just register. Pwede kang makakuha ng Ondo, DOT, and other crypto dito. Like, for example, 1Sol, 5matic, 3Jup, or thank you, or book yan. No? Kung dito man tatama yung choices. No? So, yeah, you can just register dito. Other features pa dito, guys, is just like ito. Pwede kang manalo, no? Ng rewards, tapos iPhone 15 Pro Max, no? At 13,500 in BGB rewards. So, you just need to register. And then, yeah, simple as that. I'm registered na. Andito yung pinaka-rules, guys, no? So, like, for example, you need to subscribe for some particular products dito. And dito, guys, sa my cellphone, no, you can just go to home muna. Tapos, dito sa my earn tab. And then, andito yung mga options, no? So, yung details na yun, you can just also check sa cellphone ninyo. Go dito. So, like, for example, itong Easter egg na spin, you can just select lang yon tapos makikita mo naman siya dito, no? Andito yung mga tasks. So, you can just register and then other announcements or campaigns pa dito, guys, no? At pwede naman dito, guys, sa may notification icon, no? Sa may bell icon na ito, upper right corner ng application mo. So, select mo lang siya. And then, makikita mo na siya dito sa may all, guys, no? Itong pinaka promotion participation reminder. So, like, for example, select natin to. And then, ito yung diniscuss natin kanina. We have 17 days dito. We have this opportunity to grab these rewards, no? So, yun. You can just read this one, guys. And yun lang for today. Hope you get some ideas dito sa video natin. Maraming salamat ulit sa panunood. Ingat tayong lahat. Peace out. Bye for now.